Churaibari Watchpost Police again searched out 14 cartons which contain 2,100 bottles of cough syrup from a vehicle bearing number HR37E4232. Also, police arrested 3 people in relation with the recovery of cough syrup. The arrested are Gambhir Singh, Kuldeep Yadav and Santosh Yadav. Success of Assam Churaibari Police again in an anti-drug campaign. Not a single day passed without a news of recovery of intoxicating substances from different places. At the same time, police are working with their might to arrest the dealers. Likewise, Churaibari Watchpost Police again searched out 14 cartons which contain 2,100 bottles of cough syrup from a vehicle bearing number HR37E4232. In the details, it is known that a truck vehicle bearing number HR37E4232 was coming from Guwahati towards Tripura with full of online parcel. At the same time, when the vehicle reached to Churaibari Watchpost, police started searching for the vehicle and recovered 14 cartons which contain 2,100 bottles of cough syrup. Also, police arrested 3 people in relation with the recovery of cough syrup. The arrested are Gambhir Singh, Kuldeep Yadav and Santosh Yadav. Assam Police lodged an FIR under NDPS Act and presented the arrested to the court. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.